Morning, guys. Welcome again to yet one of my YouTube videos. Well, today I'm basically just going through my tomatoes. These are a different set of tomatoes that I planted. These are the salads. So I'm just going through them now, tying them up because as you can see, I stick them. So they're growing all over the place. The vine them I go crazy. And then again, I am also taking out. So I can't remember the name of the things that I'm taking out. These things that grow right here in between this,
Subscribe.
I'm going around and pulling them out. Oh, I pull that one, they're too strong. So these little things that are growing right here, they tend to suck out all the nutrients from the tomatoes. See? You see this right here in the middle right here? That's what I'm taking out, guys. So I'm just going around, tying them up and taking out the stuff that's growing. Alright? Remember, guys, this is my second time doing the tomatoes. I planted the plummy before and they came up perfectly. They're doing okay. I know that I picked them green, but they're ripe perfectly. They were ripened perfectly, guys. So I did a great job. So now I can actually consider about doing this. Maybe doing like 2 acres of tomatoes. What do you guys think? I think I can handle it. My trees haven't been infested with no form of disease or insects. I sprayed them. I sprayed these last week Thursday, and I'm going to spray them again this Thursday. So I'm just going to let you take a look at the fruits that are coming up. A couple of the trees are fruiting. As you can see, you see them? Nice, right? They're looking lovely. But you still have these little critters that needs to be taken out. Look how this one grow big. What you can do with these, you can actually stick them back in the ground and they'll grow. So you don't have to discard of it. So you just go around taking these little guys out. Here's one. You see him pointed up in the ear? Yeah, like him supposed to do there. You're not supposed to be here, so you're not supposed to be here. So you gotta go. Guys, my tomatoes, just a little bit. It's not a lot. It's not a lot of tomato trees right here. Unlike over there, where I planted the plummies, that's a lot over that side, more than this. This is just experimental. So I'm just going to continue now, going around the trees, getting rid of these little buggers that are stopping the nutrients from getting to my fruits. You all need to go, okay? Yes, guys, so that's what I'm basically doing today on the farm. Yeah. So as I said, no form of insects on them, no disease. They are looking great, guys. They are looking good. They are flowering. Some of them start flowering already. See? So I'm just going about picking out these little buggers. Okay, guys, and then I'm going to tie up the trees because they're all over the place. You see? Grown. Somebody needs to tell me a different method of planting the tomatoes. I'll be grateful because I know that there are different methods of planting these and sticking them as well. Okay, so I will be grateful if somebody could just comment and let me know. Let me know what's happening. You know, when you're a young farmer, you don't really have a lot of persons coming and telling you, the do's and the don'ts. Certain things you got to go on YouTube and watch and learn. But it would be good if somebody, who actually does tomato farming could just come and say, yes, this is how I do this is how I do that, instead of me going on YouTube all the time to find out what am I supposed to do. So comment and let me know, because I am definitely thinking about doing this as a big production. Okay, guys, because since I've done this small one, I think I can do bigger. So okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tie up my tomatoes. See, I have my string. I have my string, you know. I have my strings right here, ready to tie them up and just do the right thing. You know, farming, you just gotta do the right thing. You know, you reap what you sow, right? So I'll see you guys later. I hope you all have been blessed. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. It's much appreciated. And I think I'm gonna make a Facebook page soon. So look out for that. Yes. I'm gonna enjoy yourself and plant something, man. Put something in the ground. Put something in the ground. I'll see you all later. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Thumbs up.